Hey guys, it's Lolo. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you this makeup look right here. This has kind of been my go-to makeup glam look lately when I've been going out or like to dinner and stuff, because the eyeshadow and things really aren't that complicated. It's pretty quick for me to do it now. So yeah, if you want to see how I get this kind of like dull, contoured, pouty lip type of look, then please keep on watching. I've never worn contacts before. I used water, so and they're just really big, I think, for my eye, like the eye shape, but otherwise I think the color, let me shut my window, color is really pretty. It's really nice. I think I look kind of crazy like an alien, but not in a bad way. Yeah, I think the comfort level, they're fine. I think I should have used contact solution instead of water and then they would be perfect. They're super fun, super cute way to change up your look really quick, especially like when you're filming makeup looks. Definitely colors and stuff look different on different colored eyes, so really fun. I'll probably get a few more colors maybe. And yeah, I'll have a coupon code or something down below if you want. Okay. Alright, so I'm first going to moisturize my face with the Fenty Beauty primer. I really like this primer. It feels super good on the skin, so I like to put a lot of primer on the skin, especially underneath my eyes, because I have kind of drier skin, so I really like to put on some extra primer on there so it'll be easier to blend and it won't look as cakey. So now I'm going to quickly go in, and I'm also going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation. And I'm using my JUNO microfiber makeup sponge. So this is my favorite way to apply foundation. This sponge really is quick, easy. It's pretty much like a brush. I know like people like to pounce like this. I like to just, you know, go ham, girl. We don't got time to be bouncing all day, so kind of like a brush because it's microfiber. Mine is so dirty, but it gives you that ability to kind of like brush it around like you would with a makeup brush. So then once I have it mostly smeared in, I'm gonna just pounce and do the pouncing beauty blending motion around like areas that I know are gonna crease. So around my nose, underneath my eyes, my chin. Alright, and this is really how fast I do my makeup, guys. So now I'm going to conceal and highlight using my NARS concealer, and I'm going to really brighten up underneath my eyes, because when you're going out and you're taking pictures, because, you know, obviously if you're going out to get glam, not obviously, but if you're getting glammed up, you might as well take some pictures, you know? So I like to add a lot of highlight, a lot of like dimension and contour, because that's what really shows up on photos. So now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer Kit, or what is this? Contour kit. And I'm gonna use some of these shades in here just because they're a little bit brighter. My NARS stick is, I got when I was really tan, so now that I'm not, it's not as bright for me, so I'm just adding a little more pigment on top really quick. And so I do like the center points of my face that I want to pop out. So my nose, the center between my eyebrows, my chin, you want to like kind of pop out. And then underneath my eyes, I did a big triangle here. And then as you can see, I already have lashes on. I do my own eyelash extensions with like the Ardell clusters. So if you want to see a tutorial on how I do my own lashes, let me know. If you ever feel like your foundation is getting a little dry while you're trying to blend, just add some oil or moisture back into it. So I just use some setting spray. You could also use a little more primer, like a little more oil, to get your foundation into the places it wants, because it does dry super quick, you know. Dust underneath my eyelids. I'm using my trusty dusty what is this? Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm gonna just kind of pack it under there because I want it to stay super bright, and I want it to be matte in these areas. So I'm gonna bake it, hunty. What I'm going to do is a cream contour. So I'm gonna use an eyeshadow brush. This one, it was in my FabFitFun fall 2018 box. And I'm using the Chanel bronzer, Soleil Tan de Chanel. And I like this because I like a more bronzy kind of contour anyway. I like to look more tan than like blue, charcoaly, like sunken cheeks. I like to look just like I got highlighted cheeks. And the trick to the doll contour is a curved contour. So I'm starting, find your own like cheekbone thing. I'm starting there, and then I just drew a line and followed my own cheek. See, like my cheek curves like that. Follow your own, follow the shape of your face. You don't have to do a straight line. We don't all have Kim Kardashian straight, you know, cheeks like that. So for the rest of us, if you have some chubbier cheeks like me, you gotta, you know, draw them out. Okay, so now I'm going to do, now that my cheeks are contoured, I add a little to the forehead, I'm going to go in with the nose. And what I like to do is look down at the mirror like this. This is my mirror, I like to look down. So my nose is super straight, and then I'm going to start from like the inner eyeshadow, the inner socket of my eye, because we want to contour that area as well. And then I kind of follow the natural shape of my nose. And while snatching the middle in a little bit, so I just did like the sides kind of my nose. And then really I feel like the trick to it is to get this whole contoured part, because some people, you know, people mostly just start from here, and then this is all, you know, we're basically putting the natural lines back into our face, you know, you feel me? So there's a nose, and then I'm gonna go in under my lip right here. I like to give it a more pouty look. And then I'm also gonna carve out my chin. I have like a naturally kind of pointy chin anyway, so I like to highlight this little indent. I guess not highlight, but shadow in this indent a little more. And yeah, that's it with the cream contour. I like to do those areas with cream contour first, so that it will stay longer, because that's where I want it to be like kind of the darkest. So I'm just gonna blend it out really quick with another fluffy brush. This is my normal contour brush. And set my contour and finish up. So now I'm going in with my Anastasia contour kit, and I just mix all these colors around, and then I'm gonna go over I mix all these colors around, and then I'm gonna go over the area that I just did with my cream contour. I'm gonna blend out my chin underneath, and then I'm gonna blend all the contour down my neck. And then if I was wearing a dress, you know, I would do the rest of my décolletage, but just for my neck, for the sweater I'm wearing. And yeah, I'm just gonna take whatever's left on the brush and kind of go over my contour, because I kind of and blending it out a little bit more. Okay. Alright, moving right along, let's do this. This is raw sienna. I like to mix colors, so I'm going to use raw sienna and golden ochre from my ABH Modern Renaissance. And I'm going to continue that contour that I started when I did my nose contour. And I'm going to kind of follow the shape of my brow bone and kind of contour that out as well. So just dipping it in, and I'm going to extend it like literally all the way to the end of my brow. And then I'm just going to blend back and forth. I'm going to take Bone Fresco. And this is like a cooler purple color. I'm going to put this on my lid. And then I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. And I'm going to dip into red ochre. And carve out like the outer corner of my eye. And blend it out. I'm going to take a little more color. I'm going to take a little more Bone Fresco and just blend out that red color I did, so that everything is just like a blown out kind of smoky look. I feel like adding an under eye shadow always makes you feel like you have those smize Tyra eyes. So, and then with the lower shadow, I'm pulling it all the way out again and like kind of blending it with the shadow that I brought out up here. So we just have like one eye of shadow. Okay, moving right along. Brows, how about we do that? So the blush right on top of my cheeks and kind of follow the contour line. I like to dust some on my chin, on my forehead, across my nose, right here. Just so I look really sun-kissed and happy. Okay, I'm using a fan brush. This is the best brush to do highlight with. I lost it for a while. I couldn't find my fan brush and I was using something else. Nah! Use this. And this one is from JUNO Co. It's wiped off, but it's from JUNO Co as well. They have brushes too, so. Discount code Lolo, hey! Anyways. Oh! She's broken. If you can see, I just dropped some. But I'm gonna mix the, what is this, bubbly. And I'm gonna add that on my cheeks. And I'm gonna add it up to my brow to do this whole little shebang. And then I'm gonna brush it on my nose. Brush it on top of my, I'm using Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Hallelujah. Shangela came to my school and did like a little concert, and she had this fan and she threw it off the stage, honey, and guess who was there to catch it? Me. And so Shangela, darling, if you're watching, I have your fan. Come get it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, blah blah blah. Leave me a comment of what you want to see next. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.